Creating a robust privacy program is essential for organizations aiming to manage and protect personal information in accordance with legal and ethical standards. The process involves developing a comprehensive framework that addresses several key components: establishing a visionary organizational approach, defining the scope and structure of the privacy program, setting up a well-defined governance model, assembling a competent privacy team, and deploying effective communication strategies. Create an organizational vision. The foundation of a strong privacy program begins with a clear organizational vision for privacy management. Evaluate the intended objective. This involves conducting a thorough assessment of the organization's goals related to privacy. It requires understanding the nature of data handled, the privacy expectations of stakeholders, and how privacy can align with the overall business strategy. Gain executive sponsor approval for this vision. Achieving this involves presenting a compelling business case to the leadership that highlights the benefits of a robust privacy program, such as compliance with regulations, enhanced customer trust, and prevention of data breaches. Executive sponsorship is crucial as it provides the necessary authority and resources to implement and sustain the privacy program. Establish a data governance model. Choosing the right data governance model is crucial to ensure effective management and protection of data throughout the organization. Centralized model. In a centralized approach, all privacy-related decisions and policies are managed from a central point within the organization. This model benefits from uniformity in policy application and easier compliance management. Distributed model. This model allows individual departments or business units to handle their own data privacy practices. While it offers flexibility and is adaptable to specific needs, it requires strong coordination to maintain consistency across the organization. Hybrid model. Combining centralized oversight with decentralized execution, the hybrid model supports both organization-wide standards and local adaptability, making it suitable for large, diverse organizations. Define a privacy program. Developing the program involves several detailed steps that outline the scope, strategy, and implementation measures for privacy management. Define program scope and charter. This includes delineating the boundaries of the program, the types of data covered, the jurisdictional scope, and compliance requirements. Identify the source, types, and users of personal information, PI, understanding where data originates, how it flows through the organization, and how it is used, is critical for effective privacy management. Develop a privacy strategy. Business alignment. Ensuring that the privacy strategy is in line with business objectives, identifying key stakeholders, leveraging essential business functions, and embedding privacy considerations into business processes. Funding and budget. Securing the necessary financial resources to support the privacy initiatives. Data governance strategy. Establishing policies for the handling, processing, and protection of personal information. Program flexibility. The strategy should be adaptable to changes in laws, market conditions, or business objectives. Structure the privacy team. Effective implementation of a privacy program requires a dedicated team with clear roles and responsibilities. Establish the organizational model. Define roles such as Chief Privacy Officer, Data Protection Officer, privacy managers, analysts, and other support roles depending on the organization's size and needs. Designate a point of contact. Having a specific point of contact for privacy issues enhances accountability and provides clarity for internal and external stakeholders. Professional competency. Developing and maintaining standards for professional skills and knowledge among the privacy team members. Communicate. Communication is pivotal in embedding privacy culture within the organization and beyond. Create awareness. Implement initiatives to raise awareness about the importance and benefits of the privacy program both internally and externally. Develop communication plans. These plans should detail how privacy-related information is communicated to different audiences, ensuring clarity and accessibility of information. Employee access to policies and procedures. Ensuring that all employees are informed about and have access to privacy policies and updates relevant to their roles. This comprehensive approach to developing a privacy program not only ensures compliance with regulations but also builds trust among consumers and partners, safeguards the organization against data breaches, and aligns the organization's data protection practices with its strategic goals.